about a month ago, I made the huge decision to upgrade my bed from a single to a double. After that, it just kind of snowballed and I was like, I may as well just redecorate, reorganize, clean the whole thing. So that is exactly what I did, and this video is the journey. The bed has been assembled. I've actually slept in it the last few nights and it's been so nice. It literally feels like a hotel room. I'm also obsessed with the bed covers I chose. I got them from an Adairs outlet at Harbour Town. They were originally $250, $300 and I got them for $42. What a deal. The only thing is they didn't come with pillowcases and I couldn't find them online or in store anywhere, so I just had to buy some white ones from IKEA, which is actually good. It's like a blessing in disguise because I have this really bad habit of sometimes wearing my makeup to bed. So having white pillows inspires me to always take it off before I go to sleep, which is good. I also have this grey throw blanket. It's more of like a blanket than a throw. It's actually huge. It covers the whole entire bed. Originally I did want the bed going this way, but I feel like it would definitely cut off too much of the room, and also the headboard would cut off so much of the tapestry, and this is like the main feature of my room. Yeah, I love it like this. I also have room either side. I'm thinking of buying some IKEA shelves. I saw some in one of the display rooms. It was actually right next to the vanity. It literally looked like my room because I had the same chair, same vanity, and then this shelf, and I was like, wow, that looks so cool. So I'm thinking 2 shelves either side of my bed, but my dad just has to see if they can be mounted on this wall. I also have to get rid of these drawers. These are going to my sister. I love these. I think they're so beautiful, but they just don't really go with the rest of my room. They also kind of block off the entryway. It just takes up a lot of space. So I'm thinking instead I'll just get like a shelf or maybe just a little side table, something little there. But yeah, I'm so sad. And I need to figure out where to put all of this stuff because I have a lot in here. I'm thinking I might just get some underbed storage, either the drawers that you can buy separately from the bed or just some like underbed boxes. But yeah, that's the update on the room. I also ordered some new pillows from Adairs, which are coming, I think Monday. They're meant to be delivered, so I'll show you guys when they come. Okay guys, update time. I look disgusting, but look what came. My pillows, they weren't meant to come till Monday. This is so exciting. Can you guys see that? Oh, incredible. So I got 2 of these. I don't know if you guys can see, but they're this beautiful mustard color with little pom-poms. They need to be like fluffed up a little, but I love this so nice. I really like that. Oh, okay, this one was a little bit of a risky purchase, but I thought if I didn't use it on my bed, then I would definitely use it on my chair over there. It's a nice gray color, but it doesn't really go with this. Do you know what I mean? I don't know, we'll see. And then this one I'm so excited for. Oh my god, I look terrible. I literally look like Prince Charming. It's fine. This one's so cool. White with a mustard yellow, bit of navy blue. Goes so well with my tapestry. It smells disgusting, but I'm sure that'll fade. How do they look? Incredible. It looks like a real bed now. I'm so excited. This grey one I like, but on the website it looked a lot darker of a grey than it is. This is grey, like kind of charcoal grey, and this is like a light grey. It's really pretty, but it doesn't really go. It was on sale. It was like $20, so I think I'll either return it or I might just leave it here. Obviously not with my laptop and my binder, but you guys get the idea. That's cool. It's cute. Hi guys. So it may or may not be like a couple of weeks later. I have had a little bit of a struggle getting this room organized, mainly because like I purchased this stuff, like as you can see I bought the shelves were purchased, and I was planning on like doing a time lapse of me making them, but I was waiting for my dad to help me assemble them, but like our schedules just weren't matching up like ever. It had been like a week and a half and he ended up just doing them himself. So they're up, they are assembled, they're not organized or decorated at all. There's like stuff on them, but not how I want it. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Also just generally cleaning my room. I also thought I'd show you guys what else I purchased from IKEA while I was there for the second time in like a couple of weeks. I'm obsessed. I freaking love IKEA. Oh, and I also got a few goodies from Kmart, so I'll show you guys that too. Wow, this lighting though. This I didn't buy from either IKEA or Kmart, but I saw it at Aldi, however you want to say it, a couple months ago actually. I knew that I wanted to like redo my room, so I bought this with the intention of using it. And now we can. It's a cork board, and I already have one, but I just really liked the pattern of this and the rose gold little detail, which goes really well with my lamp. It's a great time, so super pumped about this. Also from Kmart, I bought a new bin. If you guys have been a long time subscriber, you may be familiar with my panda bin. I've had it since like I was 12 years old, and it had to go. I purchased this one, which I like. Probably not the most practical thing because it's literally got holes in it, but I just like the look of it and I think it will go well with my room. I just can't put like little things in there. I guess I could put like a plastic bag, but then I feel like it would ruin the aesthetic. I don't know. I also got these string lights, these rose gold string lights. I don't really know where I'm gonna put these, but we'll figure it out. They were like $5, even if I don't end up using them. It's fine. What else did I buy? Oh, from IKEA, I got a little round table because if you guys can see over there, wait, where is my door? If you guys can see, my chest of drawers has now disappeared. So I wanted a nice little round table just to fill that space. So I got one. I just have to assemble it. I also got 2 of these frames from IKEA because I have a couple of prints that I want to frame and put up maybe over there. Oh, I also got some underbed storage. I got 2 of these giant containers. These aren't organized how I want them just yet, but they'll do for now. And yeah, that's kind of the little lowdown on my room stitch at the moment. So all I really need to do is just like tidy everything up, organize it all, figure out my shelves, build this side table that will go by my door, hang some stuff up, and have a great time. Okay, let's do this. Ready? Okay. Oh my god, I just showed my feet. People pay for that and I'm giving it away for free. Wow, would you look at that? I'm so proud of myself. This is the finished product. I've decorated both the shelves. This side just has a few little knickknacks, like a candle and some books and stuff. And then over here, I have some more books, my planner, and then I have my lipsticks, some brushes, a few of my makeup palettes. I cleared up my desk. I still have yet to organize my drawers, but that's a job for another day. Over here, I have these pictures that I printed out. There's me and Nick at Law Ball. There's a picture of me and my mum. And then I also cleared out my wardrobe. I got rid of a bunch of books and just organized everything, got rid of some clothes. And then over here, I have this little table which I've decorated. I got this plant from Kmart. I just put this bowl here for my keys. I just have my Mimco and my sunnies. And then these things I have to still hang up. The clock I'm thinking of putting over there. And then the corkboard is gonna go here by my door. I also added these 2 prints. I was gonna frame them, but the frames I bought don't fit, which was stupid on my part, but I'll eventually get some frames for them. For now, they're just blue tacked to the wall, but it still looks pretty good. And yeah, everything has come together. And yeah, that is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below because I love reading your comments. And let me know if you guys want to see a full detailed room tour when it's all completely finished. I will also have a link to all my social media if you guys want to keep up to date with me and my life. That'll all be down below. But yeah, I love you guys and I will see you in my next video. Bye!